Okay, so I've got the import or include working, so we can now import std SPLH into our project. So if we look at that file, that's this one here. Very simple. We've just simply got a hello from the library and another one that does a return, so you can get a return value from your function or module, and this works. There we go, and that's done down here where we set the name from here, and then simply add it to the string like we did before. And then the other one is you can simply just do std hello and it prints out the hello from the library, which is this one here. Wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Basically all the code's on GitHub as usual. It's already been uploaded. It's all been done in here in the SPL core file. I've simply made a little helper function here. This is just reading from a file, which is nothing that complicated. We're adding it to the buffer, which is the buffer that's used in the editor, where we type into the editor. That text just goes in the buffer. And basically all we're doing is we're sticking it on the front end of the buffer, so as it reads that, which is really I think all that an include file does anyhow. So as far as I can make out from what we've been looking at, then this just goes through and processes the source code and takes off any tabs and spaces, etc., like you would with reading any. It is only a text file after all. We come through here, we do a couple of other bits. We do a check to see whether it's that particular file's already been included. That won't be good enough. Eventually it'll have to have some kind of system like the Pragma ones, where you can only include it once in the that part of the project, sort of thing. All pretty simple. Bit of help from my good friend ChatGTP to get it all go. These bits are the original bits that just look at the text file. They've not changed at all. The only other thing that had to have a few changes were in here. I had to add this line of code to the return statement. I think lower down we had to add it to the caller expression as well. We had to add this here, and the other one we had to do it in was not that one. That one didn't need it. Actually, I think I might be going the wrong way. I think I might need to go up. I've forgotten where. There is another one where I've had to add it in. This was added. No, this was added in just for doing the. No, where have I done with that? Where has it gone? I'm looking in the wrong place. It's anyhow. It's pretty much the same statement, but it's had to be added into one of the other bits to get it to work. And oh, there it is. There, I had to add it into that as well. And that was really it. It really wasn't as hard as I thought this was going to be. I thought this was going to be a bit of a nightmare to get working, but like I say, it's not that much code, simple open a file jobby, have a look what's in the file, put it into the buffer, then process that input, and we get, if I open this one, I've called it import instead of include. I just think imports to me sounds better. We click the big green button and it works, and that's coming from this file here. Very good fun, this project's being very good fun. Anyhow, enough waffling. Thanks for watching if you did.